The CARORI 1200W 12-in-1 pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines multiple cooking functions in one, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, and rice cooking. Its quick one-touch cooking feature allows you to effortlessly prepare meals with 14 customizable smart programs, making it perfect for a variety of dishes from soups to desserts. With a high power of 1200 watts, this cooker can achieve up to 70 kilopascal pressure, which significantly reduces cooking time while preserving flavors and nutrients. Designed to accommodate larger families or meal preppers, the 8-quart capacity ensures you can easily prepare meals for up to 8 people. Safety is a top priority with the CARORI pressure cooker, offering over 16 advanced safety features to ensure peace of mind during use. The premium ceramic inner pot provides a healthy cooking surface that is non-stick, ensuring no harmful substances are released during cooking.